Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a video to YouTube using YouTube Studio. It's really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Now let's head over to the computer and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, here we are on my channel and I want to upload a video. So I'm going to show you how to upload a video using YouTube Studio. Now you can click right here on YouTube Studio if you want to get there. Or you can come up here and click on this to create a video and upload a video. Or you can come over here to your icon and click on YouTube Studio that way. Either way, it all works. And when you're here on inside the YouTube Studio, if you're not familiar with YouTube Studio, it'll have a dashboard, give you some analytics, things of that nature. Look, you can see how much I'm making on this channel. Woohoo! Okay, and then you can hit this button right here to upload videos. You can come up here to create, to upload a video, and that's normally what I do. Just come over here to create and then upload videos. And now we can drag a file over here, or we can select the file. In this case, I have a file that I'm just going to drag over here. And then once you do, drag it over there, you're brought to this screen. And this is where you want to fill out all of your details. And the title, whatever the title of your file is, that'll be the title that it automatically populates. But you can change this if you wanted. iPhone SE 2020, camera test, video, audio, images, selfies. That's a good enough title for what I want to do, I think. Okay. And then what you want to do is you want to fill out the description. And this serves a few purposes. One, it tells the viewers what they're going to see. Also, it helps with ranking and SEO. And so I'll write something like this. All right, and then once you have what you want filled out in your description, I talked about some products in there that I did some affiliate links here. So you can put stuff like that in there. Once you have your description filled out and optimized for SEO, I won't get into how to optimize. I have a different video on how you can do that. Then you want to just keep scrolling down and you want to pick your thumbnail. It's always a good idea to upload your own thumbnail. And so I want to pick my thumbnail here. That is the right one. And then keep scrolling down, and then a playlist, if you have a playlist that you want to add it to. For this, it's going to be my informational playlist. Click done. And then you have to describe what audience it's for, if it's made for kids or not made for kids. And if there's an age restriction for it, you can do that. And then click on more options. If it is a paid promotion, you need to select that. This is not a paid promotion. And then tags. You want to make sure you put in tags. Otherwise, it's going to be hard for people to find it when they're searching. And so I won't get into all the details of the tags that you want to do, but I'll just do a bunch of tags here. Usually I just do the same tag as the title, and then I do variations of the tag. Also, I want to mention, if you see some of these things like this little HQ right here, or IQ, this blue, that's because I have a plugin called vidIQ, and it just helps you with things. It's free, and it also gives you some suggestions for tags. So if you don't have that installed, you won't see that vidIQ information. So you put a bunch of tags in there, all variations of what you have in your description, and also what you have in your title. Once you are done with that, just make sure these things are right, the video language. If you have a closed captioning certification, it'll automatically do one for you, but the closed captions aren't the best. The automatic ones created by YouTube aren't the best. So you can make a transcript of your video and upload a subtitle here. And if you click on this, you can learn more about that. If you want to put the recording date and video location, you can do that. I don't normally do that. The type of license, I usually just use it as standard YouTube license, but you can select the Creative Commons if you want, but that means other people can use your video without any recourse. Allow embedding, if you want people to be able to embed your video somewhere, like on a website or something, I always check that. It's normally always checked. Also, make sure to check the publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. You can uncheck that if you want. And then the category. This particular channel is a how-to style, so normally it automatically populates, but you can create different for this if you want. I'll just leave it as how-to. And then there's comments and ratings that you can do if you want it to hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. I always check that, but there's other things that you can. If you don't want comments at all, click disable comments, hold all comments for review, allow all comments. I just hold the potentially inappropriate ones. That way I could filter out anything that I don't want to show up on my comment feed. And then you can sort it by the top comments or the newest comments. And then you can leave this checked, show how many viewers like and dislike the video, or uncheck it. And then click next. And then this is the monetization portion. If you are monetized, if you're watching this video, most likely you aren't monetized yet because you're new, or maybe you switched over from YouTube Classic and you want to know how to do it. Then you may be monetized, but you'll select this if you want it to be monetized or not. I worked hard to get this channel monetized, so of course I'm going to select that. And then what that will do is it'll allow you to choose what type of ads that you want to show up during your video. Display ads, overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video ads that play at the beginning or middle or end, and also non-skippable ads. The non-skippable ads are usually between 5 and 15 seconds long. And then once this says you can complete this step after the SD version of your video has processed, and it'll allow you to mess with these settings. The before video, if you want the ads to show up before the video, during the video, or after. You can only put ads during a video if your video is longer than 10 minutes. This one is about 13 minutes long, I think, 12 minutes long. So I will wind up putting an ad in the middle, right in the middle. But I have to wait until this is already completely uploaded. So I have a little bit of time to wait. All right, and now once the video is done uploading, it's going to go through the processing phase. And so you'll want to wait till this is done. I mean, you can continue on to the next steps, or you just wait until this is done. I usually wait until this is 100% processed before I do the other things that I want to accomplish with this upload. All right, and once it has finished processing, depending on the file size and the length of the video, it'll depend on how long it takes to upload and how long it takes to process, as well as your upload connection speed for your internet. And so I want to put one after the video, and I'm going to do one during the video. And normally it'll do an automatic if you click during the video, but usually I think it puts too many there, like every 3 minutes or something it puts an ad. And so I usually just do place manually and then find a good spot to do an ad break. And normally, whoops, I think right here on this title would be a good spot to put the ad break. And so I'll just put the ad break there, and then if you really wanted to add some more, you can hit this plus button to add another ad break if you wanted to. But I'm only going to just do one right there, kind of in the middle. And then hit continue. And then next. And then this is the ad suitability warning and page. And so you go through these things, and if your video contains any of this stuff, then you need to click on it. But mine doesn't have any of that. I never have any of that kind of stuff in my videos. And so that just tells YouTube that this is kind of safe for ads, and there's not really much that they have to do to worry about on their part. And so we'll go ahead and click next. And now this is where you do end screens and cards. And this is really cool because this helps people to find more of your videos. And so I always add an end screen. And usually I pick something like this one right there. And so it'll show up my recent videos and best for viewer. And then it puts my little subscription icon here. And depending on the framing, I might move these around a little bit. Something like that is a little bit better. And then I will click Save. You can also add another element if you want. Like if you wanted to add another video or a link or something, you could add more than just the normal ones that come up. I usually just kind of stick with these for the most part. Hit Save. And then come here and we will add cards. You don't have to add any of these things, but it's really good to do it. And so what I'll do is I will come in here and I'm going to add a video. I did another video that was just an iPhone SE review. And so I want to make sure to include that. And then down here, maybe at the 4-second mark, I will include another video. How to make money online, or this Hero Forge review, which is pretty cool. Anyway, I can pick another one of these if I want. Or you can do actually put in a custom URL right here to point to another video. I might just do this one. And maybe just slide that over if I want it to show up over there instead. And then if you could, if you want to do like a poll, you can do a poll. Question, what is your favorite phone? iPhone, Google, Samsung. So you can do a poll and then people can interact with that poll if they want. It's kind of a fun thing to do. And then there we go. And then all things are they're already automatically saved for me, so I don't have to do anything else. I can just click up here, return to YouTube Studio. And then we are pretty much done. Go to next. And then this is just the visibility phase where you can schedule it if you want to show up post at a different time. It gives you a warning here about kids and things that we already covered this stuff. And then, or you can leave it unlisted and save it with people. You can leave it as private. I'm going to make it public and just put it out there right now. You can also set it as a premiere. And if you click on this, it tells you more about what that is. And I'm going to publish it. And this will put it out there for people to find, your subscribers and everything. And then once it's published, you'll come up with this where you can share things. And I usually will just share it. This just helps with SEO and optimization and just gets the video potentially in front of more viewers. So I will share it here on Tumblr. And once that posted, I'll just X out of there. Maybe I'll post it on my Facebook. I've been talking to people on my Facebook about my phone and showing pictures. All right, so I'll just post that for my people, friends, and things to see in case they might be wanting to know more about this iPhone SE. And then there's other things that you can submit this to if you want. And then that's pretty much done. And then when you close out, it'll bring you back to this, which is the list of all your uploads right there. Now, what we can do is switch back to the channel. And come over here to videos. And here it is. It showed up right there. Pretty awesome. That's how you upload a video using YouTube Studio. Once again, my name is Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.